Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that new motor that arrived. As you see, I pulled the spring-powered motor out of this 898 shell and mounted that motor in this. And this thing's running just absolutely splendidly, as you can see. So I'm not sure what it's capable of pulling yet, but it has a traction tire on it. So I'm going to attempt to put it on this consist with that 229 on it. Now this is a fairly heavy consist. Oh dear, move that out of the way. Put this on here and see what it can do. All right, let's see what happens. The Marx 898 wind-up conversion. Can it pull it? Well, that's pretty impressive for a $6 motor. No doubt about that. Let's try something real quick. Can't do it with this one. Let me bend this coupler up a bit. Hold on, trying to do this with one hand is difficult. Okay, let's try that, see if that helped the traction any. Yep, a bit. So a $6 motor mounted in a 898 wind-up shell. Pulling that consists with no problem at all. Now those tankers weigh ½ pound each, plus the searchlight car, steel car, that hopper is heavy, and a lighted caboose. And that's right at 60% power. So as you see, this is running quite well. Double reduction motor, $6 on eBay, and I was the only bidder on that. So anyway, I just wanted to put it in a shell and run it. I had this 897 wind-up, so I figured I'd just drop the motor in there. Uses the same crossbar, of course. So I've got to say it, don't overlook the junk. $6 on eBay, and I was the only bidder on this thing. That is running really, really well. No doubt about that. It's running quite well. So dropped it into this wind-up shell. I have a new locomotive. So like I said, I'll very likely put this motor in a Commodore Vanderbilt. We'll see what I have. Anyway, I wanted to be able to run it, so I dropped it into this 898 shell. Pulled the wind-up motor out, as you see. Whoops. We just came uncoupled for some reason. No idea why. Oh, the coupler came open. All right, try this again. So as you see, this is running really well. There's 50% power now. So that's really running well. That is really surprising. Like I said, you never know what you're getting when you're buying a motor from a photograph. But just in parts, it's worth more than $6. So no idea why no one else bid on it. But as you see, it was worth the money, and it was definitely worth the 4 weeks it took to get here. And this is running really well. Good constant speed all the way around, pulling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cars. That's actually quite a heavy consist. So without that traction tire, I really doubt it could even move this. So, in any case, I just want to do a quick follow-up video on that motor. It was definitely worth the $6, no doubt about that. This is running absolutely perfectly. So, just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.